Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how you can update your Crunchyroll app in your smart TV LG Smart TV. Now, can you find you need to find that app. Is LG Content Store, okay? In this app is the store for apps. Now, it's like app store or a Play Store in your mobile. Open this in my TV is color pink, in your TV maybe can be a color blue or green. Now, here, this is the trending apps. Can you find Crunchyroll? I don't know where, but in my TV is here. Yes, here is the Crunchyroll. If you don't find your app here, can you open your search bars and write Crunchyroll? Open this and make your update. Download the last version. In my TV, I has the last version in Crunchyroll, but in your TV, you need make your day. Touch this button, okay? If your button say update, download your last version and your TV is normal. He install the last version alone, okay? You not need do anything. And this is all for the video. Sorry for my English, I know that is awful, but I want trying to learn, get more experience experience with my speak. Sorry, have a good day, see you later.